Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to watch NBA League Pass on your LG Smarter TV. So make sure to watch this video till the end and after that you will be able to do it. Now if we go to the website, this is the basically home website of NBA and make sure that you have purchased the premium subscription of NBA League Pass as you will not be able to watch it if you do not have a premium account or paid account of it. So once you have a paid account, here is the official website of support section, and they have added the supported devices and requirements. And if you scroll down and read all the devices, you can see like mobile and tablets, iPhones, iPad, Android. And connected devices here is like Roku TV, Apple TV, Android TV, Amazon Fire Stick Gen 3, Fire OS, Hisense. Like here are some other TVs as well, but you're not able to see the LG Smartest TV as like LG Smart TV is not being supported for the NBA Watch League. Like if you want to directly attach your NBA to the LG Smart TV, so you will not be able to watch it. However, what you can do is you can just use your iPhone or iPad or Android or any Android tablet, connect it with the NBA League Pass and then connect it to your TV. You can connect it, you can just use your screen mirroring option into your mobile phone. You can just click on screen mirroring and connect it with your LG Smart TV. Once connected, you will be able to watch the NBA League Pass easily in your LG Smart TV. However, if you're looking for any direct way, there is no way that you can directly watch it as this device, LG Smart TV, is not being supported by the NBA League Pass. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can watch NBA League Pass on your LG Smart TV.